Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will introduce you the Toyota Tacoma 2023. Enjoy watching. Exterior. The Toyota Tacoma 2023 features a bold and rugged exterior design, with a chiseled front fascia, a distinctive grille, and sharp headlights that give it a commanding presence on the road. The truck sits on 18-inch alloy wheels and has a high ground clearance, which makes it perfect for off-road adventures. The Tacoma 2023 also comes with a range of exterior features, including a locking tailgate, a bed liner, and an available power sliding rear window. Interior. Inside the Tacoma 2023, you'll find a spacious and comfortable cabin that is designed for both work and play. The seats are made of high-quality materials and come in various trims, including cloth, leather, and water-resistant fabric. The dashboard is modern and intuitive, with a large touchscreen display that offers easy access to features like the infotainment system, navigation, and climate control. The truck also has ample storage space, with a center console that can hold a laptop and various compartments for smaller items. Engine. The Toyota Tacoma 2023 offers two engine options. The first is a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 278 horsepower and 265 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual transmission. The second option is a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 159 horsepower and 180 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Both engines come with rear-wheel drive as standard, with all-wheel drive available as an option. Other features. The Toyota Tacoma 2023 comes with a variety of other features designed to make your driving experience more enjoyable and convenient. It has a smart key system that allows you to lock and unlock the doors without taking the key out of your pocket. The truck also has a backup camera, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert to help you stay aware of your surroundings. Finally, the Tacoma 2023 has a towing capacity of up to 6,800 pounds. Making it a great choice for those who need to haul heavy loads. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.